Hi, welcome to 직소폭포, 부안, a hidden oasis of pure Korean nature. This destination in this video is 직소폭포, one of the most iconic natural spots in Buan. 직소폭포 is located deep inside Nesosa Valley, surrounded by untouched forests and crystal clear streams. It's known as one of the signature sceneries of 변산반도의 Natural Park and a beloved healing spot for travelers seeking peace and pure nature. We visited the fall with an Indonesian influencer and we walked through the forest with creating a beautiful mix of nature and culture. The lush green forest, the sound of flowing water, and the fresh air made the whole hike feel like stepping into another world. You must visit 직소폭포 because it offers more than just a waterfall views. It gives you a chance to feel Korea's nature beauty, tranquility, and traditional charms all at once. As we got closer to the waterfall, the sound of the falling water became louder and more powerful, giving us a refreshing and almost cinematic moment. The combination of hanbok and the deep forest scenery was something our Indonesian creator truly fell in love with. In this video, you will see exploring the forest trail, experience Korean hanbok, hiking to the fall, and capturing unforgettable moments in front of the stunning waterfall. Enjoy the serene beauty of Buan and feel the healing energy of 직소폭포 through our journey. Enjoy!
Can see sun? 괜찮아요, 나나?
괜찮아요. 그냥 힘들었어요. 괜찮은데 힘들었어요.
You cannot see anything because of the sun.
여긴 어디? 부안! 여긴 어디? 직소폭포!